Well, to kick off our Halloween show, we begin with a DIY costume idea, some fall earrings, and Halloween window clings. Our crafting queen is back with us this Halloween morning for this special edition of Getting Crafty. Stop looking at me like that. She's like, I can't take you serious. I'm like, well, look at yourself. You're a gumball machine.
Point. That's fair.
So, okay, you always come with a great costume. No exception this year, of course. Tell us how you put this together.
Sure. So you know that I love craft projects that are quick, cheap, and easy, and this is all three. So to make this, all you need is a white shirt and a bunch of 1.5-inch pom-poms. And I chose some that specifically looked bubblegummy to me. You know how some pom-poms, they've got black ones in there and stuff, you know. So I picked colors that worked really well, and I just hot glued them on all over, and I left a little bit of space at the bottom so that I could tuck my shirt in. Then you're just going to pair this with red bottoms. So I have a red skirt, you can get red pants. If you don't have it, try Goodwill, or you know, even jeans, you're still going to get the idea of what I am.
Sure, absolutely. But the red, I don't know if you can see her, she's red underneath. That's a great touch because often the gumball machines are red at the bottom, so that's like perfect.
Yes, and I made my hat to go with it. So it has a little 25 cents on here. I used Cricut infusible ink, and I just put it on the hat. But if you don't have a Cricut, all you need is a fabric marker, and you could easily just write that on there. So then I just put my hat on, and of course I had extra pom-poms, so I turned them into earrings.
Of course.
And now I am a gumball machine.
You're adorable gumball machine. And speaking of earrings, you made other really festive earrings. They're so cute. You will not find these at a store.
You won't. And what I love about these is that you can personalize them, make them any style, any size that you want, any colors and patterns. And they're very, very lightweight. So if you don't usually like to wear dangle earrings because they're heavy, these are not like that. So all you need is faux leather. And this is something, I didn't know it existed in craft sheets like this, but it does. You can get it on Amazon as well as at the craft store. And I got actually a pack of 12 that coordinated. So I have the orange with black dots, there was black with orange dots, there were glittery ones, some with candy corn and pumpkins. So all I did was I chose some designs from my Cricut app. Some of them are 2 pieces, like the circles you see there, and those you do one color on top and one on the bottom, or some of them are just like diamond shapes, ovals, pointed ovals. And again, if you don't have a Cricut, you can just do this with scissors because, like I said, they are simple shapes.
Yeah, you really could just trace, like stencil it yourself.
Exactly.
Okay, something else. This is Cricut too, right?
Yes.
Window clings are so much fun for the kids and the adults.
Yes, for everyone. So the key ingredient here is going to be the window cling material that Cricut just put out. So they have it in white, black, and orange right now. I'm hoping that they'll come out with more colors, some things for Christmas. But for right now, at least you can use it for Halloween. So all I did was I cut out bats and ghosts. And you can, of course, just cling these to the window. I've got my little black cat here. You could put it on your car window, on your house. And again, you can make them any size that you like. And I also put some on my mason jar there. You know, I like to light up our sidewalk when the trick-or-treaters come up. So we've done the mummies before, but this is just another variation. So we put the bats and the ghosts, and then there's a little battery-operated candle in there.
Perfect. Very easy, and really a lot of fun.
Yes.
And you're a lot of fun, too, because you're going to hang out with us, and you have some questions for Brett and I later in the show.
I do, and I have a second costume for you.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
I do.
Oh, stay tuned. Thank you, Amy. We'll be right back.